Recently, I visited Bridgewater Junior High School to meet with Principal Deanna Rowding and Megan Sowler, Youth Pathways Consultant from the South Shore Regional Centre for Education. They share the importance of making sure students get the healthy and nutritious meals they need.
The goal in that we're doing here is we're really trying to make sure that we are providing, we're not just filling bellies, we're filling bellies with nutritious food, right? So it's important that the nutritional content is there when we're feeding kids. We do track quite a bit of data from number of meals served, as from a regional perspective, based on a school perspective, based on breakfast, lunch, average cost of meals. We track all that. We have a regional food service accounting clerk, and that person helps with all the management of budgets between each site, with the counts of numbers. The food service workers count numbers every day so that we can kind of track and keep that data. And we often provide that data when requested by the province or by public health or whoever else might be doing some investigating on school food. But yeah, that data is really important to us to kind of continue to push forward. It demonstrates the need, and we can also go back and look, from last year, from 3 years ago, how many equity lunches were provided in a month or in a year versus how many are provided now. And the number, of course, for that is rising, and it's been rising for many years at all sites, not just at certain schools, in all communities. They know that consistently they can come to school and they can eat here and they can be amongst their peers. Like, eating is a social event in a way, and they can sit amongst their peers and enjoy the same meal that they're enjoying, and they can go back to class satisfied, and there's no difference between one student or another. We do know that it makes it better, right? Like, whether or not kids indicate that, if we're feeding kids, we know they're not sitting hungry, and they can go back to class in the morning or the afternoon, and if they've had a full belly, they can concentrate a lot better than if they have not.
In Halifax, I'm Andrew Rankin for SaltWire and the Chronicle Herald.